Hey, you're in the perfect Houston high-rise and you're in the perfect kitchen. Look at this. It's just gorgeous. The kitchen is just the highlight of this whole apartment. It is stunning, it's modern, it's new, but the kitchen is just delightful. Let's explore it just a little bit, shall we? So there's some beautiful white cabinets up there. Very, very nice quartz countertop that's here. And look at this. This is just lovely. Perfect gas stove, by the way. So you're cooking with gas up here, perfect luxury. And then you've got this adorable, beautiful fridge with the ice maker and views right there. You've even got more space. That's essentially a pantry there. And then this island makes it even more amazing. This is just delightful. Hey, check out that wine fridge. Whoop! Love the wine fridge. And then look at this. You've just got space to entertain, space to live, space to enjoy. This is probably, I don't know, 11 to 12 feet ceilings and those floor to ceiling windows giving you spectacular views of the city. This is just quite stunning. I like what they did here too. They actually put a desk space so you can work from here anytime and have these views. And then this is the rest of what it looks like. Hey, send me a text. I've got my number below. That's my personal cell phone. Send me a text and let me know your thoughts. I'd like to know this. Just kind of introduce yourself and say maybe I'm looking for a place in Houston. I'd love to get your help. And I like what I'm seeing here at the Bowen River Oaks. So reach back out to me and we'll just start a conversation. And it's going to go, by the way, to my cell phone. It's not going to go to any kind of software and that kind of stuff. It just goes straight to me. Hey, I can't wait to hear from you and I look forward to it. And now we're going to do a couple of more videos here, just so you know. We're going to walk through here in detail. And so if you like what you're seeing here, make sure to stay tuned because the detailed videos go even further. And though it's essentially the best tour you could ever see of the Bowen and this particular floor plan.